तुमको सितारों में ले चलो, दिल झूम जाए ऐसी बहारों में ले चलो। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू हुर्रे बॉलीवुड, आपका अपना वन स्टॉप एंटरटेनमेंट डेस्टिनेशन। मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट और दोस्त अमिता और मैं आपके लिए लाई हूं अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड विद ब्रांड न्यू न्यूज, रिव्यूज, मस्ती और मसाला टू सेलिब्रेट द लास्ट 100 years of Bollywood. And जी हाँ, I'll be coming live on location to do some बोल बच्चन। मगर उससे पहले let's take a walk down the lanes and bylanes of Bollywood and find out what our stars have been up to. सुना है सलमान खान आजकल कुछ रंगीले मूड में है। The 47-year-old superstar has been spotted taking long walks and bicycle rides with Desi Shah, the 25-year-old heroine of his new movie Mental. वो भी लोनावला की हंसी वादियों में जहां पर फिल्म की शूटिंग हो रही है। इसको तो cradle snatching कहते हैं ना? But then what about Lulia Vantur? Remember his Romanian girlfriend? Well, we are talking about Salumia. क्या पता कौन उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, कौन गुड फ्रेंड, एंड अल्टीमेटली किसको वो कहेंगे मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी। बस हम सबको उसका बेसब्री से इंतजार है। And talking of good friends, I have some breaking news about a new jodi of best friends forever in B-Town. I'm talking about Anushka Sharma and Deepika Padukone. Up till they have been at loggerheads because of Ranveer Singh, Anushka's ex and its current Ram Leela co-star. सुना है दोनों के extra friendly vibes अनुष्का को पसंद नहीं आए. But recently, when the two pretty women hit the dance floor at an after party of an award function in Macau, they got on like a house on fire. वो इतना नाचे कि घुंघरू टूट गए हो, कि घुंघरू टूट गए. I'm sure these lovely ladies have a lot to talk about. Ranveer Singh, are you running scared? Scared से याद आया. I hope all those press reporters who were bothering Shah Rukh about his baby are running scared. क्योंकि King Khan ने एक बहुत ही beautiful statement release किया है announcing the birth of his son Abram through a surrogate mother. And he has also rubbished all the rumors of the sex determination test. Shah Rukh and Gauri, we congratulate you on this lovely news and hope your baby brings much joy to your family. And the industry welcomes a new Khan, Abram Khan, into its Khandan. Meanwhile, Shah Rukh Khan is having fun promoting his new movie, Chennai Express. Let's watch him sing his favorite Gana from this movie.
तुम्हारा प्यार मांगा है, तुम्हें मंजूर है, तभी तो यार मांगा है.
And answer some rather strange questions.
कभी ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि किसी एक्सप्रेस में आप अकेले हैं और आपको गुंडों ने घेर लिया है, सपोज कहीं आकर, आप किस एक्ट्रेस को, बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस को आपके जहन में आएगी या कौन वो फर्स्ट लेडी
पहले तो किसी गुंडे की हिम्मत नहीं कि मुझे सराउंड करे, और अगर कर लेगा तो मैं लड़कियों को क्यों बुलाऊंगा? मेरे फाजिल दोस्त रोहित को बुलाऊंगा, निकेतन को बुलाऊंगा, देखो कितने लंबे चौड़े खा पी के सब एकदम पहलवान हैं, इन सब को बुलाऊंगा. कहाँ हीरोइन को क्यों बुलाऊंगा? हीरोइन को तो किसी और चीज के लिए बुलाऊंगा ना, ऐसा ना गुंडों से लड़ने के बुलाऊंगा.
अब और एक मजेदार खबर सुनिए. Apparently these days Huma Qureshi and Shahid Kapoor have become more than just good friends. यानी कि दोनों एक दूसरे के इश्क में पड़ गए हैं. While Shahid Kapoor denies this link up, saying that he has met this girl only twice in his life, Huma says she has no problems being linked with Bollywood men as it helps create buzz around her name. वाह हुमा, आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड. अभी एक दो फिल्म्स रिलीज नहीं हुई और आप तो इंडस्ट्री के दाव पे सीख गई. गुड फॉर यू. एंड नाउ सम न्यूज अबाउट ऋतिक रोशन. हाल ही में अपनी फिल्म बैंग बैंग के स्टंट्स करने के दौरान ऋतिक सफर्ड सम हेड इंजरीज ड्यू टू व्हिच ही गॉट अ क्लॉट इन द ब्रेन. जब इसका सही डायग्नोसिस हुआ, ही वाज इमीडिएटली रश्ड टू हॉस्पिटल फॉर अ ब्रेन सर्जरी. Operation was very successful and he's now in the process of making a full recovery. So what did beta Hrithik say to his father after the operation?
हाँ, ऋतिक ने कहा कि I'm fine, there is no pain, there is no headache now, and he's relieved.
Hrithik, we want you to get well soon, so we are sending you our good wishes and prayers. And now it's time for the new movie releases. Bhaag Milkha Bhaag. a biopic on legendary Indian athlete Milkha Singh, directed by Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, is making big waves at the box office. Farhan Akhtar has come in for a lot of praise for his performance, even with Milkha Singh saying that he has done an amazingly realistic job. Co-starring Sonam Kapoor and Nisha Shafi, this film portrays the guts, determination and courage of Milkha Singh, who competed against all odds and came out a winner. A must-watch. BA Pass. This movie opened with a mixed response.
औरत उतनी गहन है, बजरी है, वो है आफत की पुड़ी.
Set amidst the neon-lit bylanes of Delhi, BA Pass unfolds an erotic human drama and the relationship of an older married lady with a young boy. Explicit love-making scenes are woven into the story of seduction and deceit. If that is what you want to watch, go watch it, or else give it a miss. Movies to watch out for are Ramayya Vastavaya. This romantic film is directed by Prabhudeva and is inspired by the famous 1980s movie Maine Pyar Kiya. Ram, played by Girish Kumar, falls in love with Sona, played by Shruti Hassan. The lovers conquer huge challenges in their quest to be together. And D-Day. It is a story about a team which is sent out to bring back the most wanted man in India from an enemy country. It showcases their daring operations and features a nail-biting twist at the crucial stage of their mission, making it an edge-of-the-seat thriller. And the top 3 songs of the week are... Number 3 par hai Angreza from Bhaag Milkha Bhaag. Number 2 par hai the title song from the movie Isaak.
उस पार तू है, इस पार मैं लगता है डूबूंगा इस पार मैं.
Number 1 par hai Jeene Laga Ho from Ramayya Vastavaya.
तुम साहसी पहले देखा नहीं, तुम इससे पहले थे जाने कहाँ. जीने लगा हूँ पहले से ज्यादा तुम पे मरने लगा.
After this exciting roundup of movies and songs, now it's time for a short break. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, come visit us on our website, or now you can write to me at amit@hurraybollywood.com. Stay tuned.
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000.
The Weekly Voice, Canadian leader in South Asian news. We cover the community here and across the world. 40,000 copies each week. 2 editions, Wednesday and Saturday. 4 sections, community, automotive, Bollywood and real estate. Stay up to date with what's happening here and back home. Plug into opportunities and trends that can change your life. The Weekly Voice, Canadian leader in South Asian news. Get your paper edition or read online at weeklyvoice.com.
Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. The Host, Fine Indian Cuisine. Delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients, and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The host has earned a name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The host Fine Indian Cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The host Fine Indian Cuisine.
Kisan Desi Ghee and Vegetable Ghee. Kisan Tel. Kisan Food Colors. Kisan Besan. किसान के प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे नजदीकी स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध हैं।
Bollywood की फिल्मों का craze is evergreen. They are ageless, marvelous, and absolutely fantabulous. Bollywood के एक्शन और स्टंट्स का झटका किसको नहीं है पसंद? And guess what? Bollywood की first stunt woman actress was an Australian lady, Mary Evans, popularly known as Fearless Nadia. She is most remembered as the masked, cloaked adventuress in Hunter Wali, The Princess and the Hunter, released in 1935. She was a craze in the 30s, 40s, and even into the 50s. She starred in numerous action-adventure films like Miss Frontier Male, Diamond Queen, and Jungle Princess.
कभी ना हमने हिम्मत हारी, कभी ना उखड़े पाँव, मेहनत करके अपना जीवन आप बनाना सीखा हो।
She appeared in over 50 films and her last movie was Khiladi in 1968. Later, she married her longtime producer-director Homi Wadia in the early 1960s and retired from films. इस कभी ना डरने वाली स्पिरिट को हुर्रे बॉलीवुड का सलाम।
प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या।
मुगले आजम का ये खूबसूरत गाना है खुद में ही एक मास्टरपीस। क्या आप जानते हैं इस गाने के बोल 105 बार लिखे गए by the lyricist Shakil Badayuni before the legendary music director Naushad could approve of it. इसको शूट किया गया शीश महल के रेप्लिका में। It took 2 years to construct this set, which was 150 feet long, 80 feet wide, and 35 feet high. All the mirrors used in this शीश महल were real Belgium glass. इस गाने की कॉस्ट थी 15 lakh rupees in the 1960s, which was higher than the entire budget of the film. The most talked about shot of the song was Madhubala's graceful twirls being captured in hundreds of mirrors in the Sheesh Mahal. The amazing thing was that in this sequence, the camera was not visible in any of the multiple mirrors. But their presence on the set caused problems since they would sparkle under the light. Consultants from Hollywood, including Sir David Lean, told director K. Asif to abandon the idea since they all felt it was impossible to film the scene under the intense glare. But the cinematographer Adi Mathur found a solution by covering all the mirrors with a thin coat of waxing, thereby getting rid of their reflective nature. Mathur also used strategically placed strips of cloth to implement bounce lighting, which reduced the glare. और बन गई मुगले आजम एक कभी ना भूलने वाली मास्टरपीस। आज हम बात करेंगे टॉप पीरियड फिल्म्स की। Let's take a look at my top films of the list. देवदास।
कौन कमबख्त है जो बर्दाश्त करने के लिए पीता है? मैं तो पीता हूँ कि बस सांस ले सकूं।
कुछ मोहब्बतें दुनिया की बंदिशों से बिखर कर उम्र भर का दर्द बन जाती है। ऐसे ही एक कहानी है देवदास और पारो की. Set in beautiful rural Bengal of early 1900s, Devdas is a story of love that gets doomed because of caste and status. The movie is inspired by the Bengali romance novel Devdas by Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay, written in 1917. It beautifully recreates that era, which reflects in the costumes, cinematography and music. देवदास और पारो के बचपन के इस प्यार को नहीं मिलती है उनकी परिवार की रजामंदी. देवदास को कलकत्ता बेच दिया जाता है and Paro's marriage gets finalized with a wealthy zamindar. The heartbroken Devdas takes to drinking and lands on the doorstep of a courtesan, Chandramukhi, played by Vaijayanti Mala. She falls in love with him. मगर पारो के प्यार में आखिरी सांसें लेते हुआ देवदास decides to leave Chandramukhi's home to embark on a journey to meet his beloved Paro.
और कितनी देर है भाई गाड़ी वाले?
बाबूजी अभी अभी तो आप गाड़ी पे बैठे हैं, अभी तो बहुत दूर जाना है.
Tragically, he dies outside her house even before she gets to meet him. Directed by Bimal Roy, this cult film went on to win many awards, including the National Award for the Best Feature Film in Hindi. हीर रांझा.
मिलो न तुम तो हम घबराए, मिलो तो आँख चुराए, हमें क्या हो गया है.
This dastan of unconditional love, हीर रांझा, is one such period film which is inspired by the love story written in an epic poem, Heer, by Waris Shah in 1766. Set in an era of old rich Punjab, this love story is of a rich girl, Heer, played by beautiful Priya Rajwansh, and Ranjha, played by the Rajkumar, who works for Heer's family.
जब से चाहा तुझको अपनी याद भी आई नहीं.
उन दोनों के इस प्यार का दुश्मन बन जाता है हीर का मामा कैदा, played by Pran.
वहाँ से मंगनी न आई है और न आएगी. जवानी हीर की इस घर में बीत जाएगी.
He tries to separate them and forces Heer to marry another man.
इश्क की तासीर देखोगे, मेरे सीने में दिल में हीर की तस्वीर देखोगे.
But love triumphs and Heer's father agrees to let Ranjha marry his daughter. But the evil mama poisons her food and she dies before she unites with her lover. Unable to bear the pangs of separation, Ranjha kills himself. This was Chetan Anand's first directorial venture in color and the first Indian film in which all the dialogues were written in verse by the legendary poet Kaifi Azmi. This was also perhaps the only movie in which the director totally abandoned improvisation and worked out every detail on paper with his writer, cinematographer and sound engineer, including color synchronization of costumes and backdrops. The songs and dialogues of this movie have become immortal with age.
दीप उनकी मोहब्बत के सदा यूं ही जलेंगे, दुनिया में जो बिछड़े हैं वो जन्नत में मिलेंगे.
शतरंज के खिलाड़ी. अवध के शौकीन मिजाज मोनार्क्स पर बनी ये पीरियड फिल्म is set in 1857 when there was a mutiny against the British rule. कहानी है नवाब वाजिद अली शाह की, who devoted himself to the pleasures of art, poetry, music and dance and was oblivious about the major political changes that the country was facing. जहां एक तरफ ब्रिटिश फौजें बादशाहियत को मिटाने में लगी थी,
His Majesty shall have a maximum of 3 days for deliberation.
वहीं दूसरी तरफ लखनऊ के पुश्तूनी रईसों को पड़ गई थी लत जंग की, मगर वो थी सिर्फ शतरंज की जंग. They played chess in their houses and then outdoors and didn't notice the political changes occurring under their noses.
आपने कुछ सुना नहीं? हम सुनते कुछ नहीं मुंशी साहब, खेलते हैं.
सत्यजीत रे की डायरेक्टेड ये मूवी featured संजीव कुमार, साइद जेफरी, अमजद खान, विक्टर बैनर्जी and Sir Richard Attenborough. All of them gave their finest performances in this memorable film.
आप हमारी दस्तार तो ले सकते हैं रेजिडेंट साहब, दस्तखत नहीं ले सकते.
शतरंज के खिलाड़ी went on to win 3 Filmfare Awards, including the Critics Awards for the Best Movie, and there was a nominee for the Golden Bear for Best Film at the 28th Berlin International Film Festival. Parinita. Set in the vibrant Calcutta of 1962, ये कहानी है ललिता की, शेखर से उनकी बचपन की मासूम दोस्ती की और उनके अटूट रिश्ते की।
Now just imagine, एक लड़की, नकचड़ी सी, थोड़ी सी पागल, slightly mad like you.
This beautiful film is an adaptation of the Bengali tale Parinita by Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay. Lolita, an orphan, is sent to live with her uncle's family. Destiny introduces her to a young boy, Shekhar, a budding musician and the son of an affluent businessman.
ये जन तुमने बनाई? नहीं, टैगोर की है, stupid.
Shekhar and Lolita की बचपन की दोस्ती soon blossoms into love, but the greedy intentions of Shekhar's father shatters their innocent love.
मुझे देखना नहीं चाहते, मुझसे मिलना नहीं चाहते।
मगर सच्चे प्यार की होती है जीत, and soon Shekhar and Lolita फिर से मिल जाते हैं। Parinita is a classic film जिसमें Vidya Balan made a silver screen debut. She established herself as an actor to reckon with, and her pairing with Saif Ali Khan was sheer magic. The costumes, culture, and music of Bengal of the 1960s were beautifully captured by the director Pradeep Sarkar. Parinita is a classic period film of modern times. These were my top period films. I want to find out which ones are yours. तो कुछ बोल बच्चन हो जाए. I'm coming to you live on location. Exciting roller coaster after this short break. Stay tuned.
Do you want to be an actor? This is an opportunity that you have been waiting for. AME Telefilm is in search for fresh, talented persons who want to be an actor or actress. If you have what it takes to be on TV, we are looking for you. Send your complete resume to talent@ametelefilm.com or call today at 647-669-1000. 647-669-1000. Tango Kitchens. Modern, contemporary and traditional styles can all be achieved by turning the dream into reality of a custom-built kitchen. With a reputation built over years, we specialize in custom-made kitchens, bathrooms and fine cabinetry. Tango Kitchens, also known for speed, quality, flexibility, transparency and service. Tango Kitchen and Bath Studio Inn. Call today 416-679-9300 or visit tangokitchens.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine, delivering exciting flavors, fresh ingredients and exceptional service is our passion with pride. We present the culinary pearls of Indian cuisine. The Host has earned the name with quality food and sincere service. The use of two important ingredients, patience and passion. The Host, fine Indian cuisine. You are welcome. Visit www.welcometohost.com. The Host, fine Indian cuisine.
किसान मिक्स्ड स्पाइसेस, तंदूरी मसाला, गरम मसाला, चाय मसाला, किसान पेस्ट, तंदूरी पेस्ट, curry paste and many more. Kisan crispy fried onions, किसान के प्रोडक्ट आपके सारे नजदीकी स्टोर्स में उपलब्ध हैं।
Welcome to yet another Bindas segment of Bol Bachchan. Today I'm at York Cinemas in Richmond Hill for the special screening of Lutera. Bollywood's talented directors have given us many immortal period dramas on screen. चलो यहाँ आए लोगों से पूछते हैं कि उनकी फेवरेट पीरियड फिल्म फ्रॉम द लास्ट 100 years कौन सी है? What's your favorite period movie?
Lagan was nice. It's a representation of the remembrance of the old time. The one I like about this thing is the attention to detail about the British era.
You bring up a very interesting point about period films. When they do that, they do pay attention to detail.
And that's what it's all about.
Devdas was good. Lagan was good one.
So you picked two different movie styles.
Yeah, Amir Khan was an amazing actor. Tremendous effort and amazing how they put the whole thing together and how it came across. Very beautifully done.
I hear that Amir is a method actor. Like when he needs to get into a role, he really acts it out in real life. Have you heard that?
Well, yeah, it shows in his movies, right? You pick how he chooses his role and how he acts. It's amazing. So that tells me how much time and effort he puts in choosing it and then getting into the character and executing.
Parineeta had a nice Bengali touch, and yeah, it's a nice movie.
You know who added some spice to that movie? Rekha ji.
Oh yeah.
Nahi, 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 ye baatein hai purani.
Parineeta is a good movie. Yes, I've liked that movie. Devdas is also a very good movie. I like Aishwarya Rai acting there, and Shah Rukh Khan was awesome there.
I hear Devdas is your favorite period film.
Yes, it is. I love the culture that's shown in there, the love shown in there, the civilization at that point, how they show different eras, and all the costumes, the jewelry. I think everything was very nice.
It's good to know this new concept, what happened after the India got independence, you know.
So that's interesting. Bollywood is educational these days.
It is, yes. So when people who are born in India, people like me, don't know about it.
Between the two ladies in the movie, you know who I'm talking about. Who would you prefer?
I like Madhuri. She's my favorite. Aishwarya is beautiful. She's very nice, but Madhuri is unbeatable.
Oh my goodness. I really am seeing double here. So, any favorite period films of yours from Bollywood?
Ram or Sham.
Nice pick. How about you?
The old movies, of course, we used to really enjoy, like Guide or, Arzu. Those are the classical ones.
1942 Love Story.
Nice pick. Nice songs too.
Yes, I love the song.
And in the movie, was there anything particular that was that made you think about the olden era?
I think the whole picturization itself was very nice, and Manisha Koirala, she played an amazing role.
Although the era is different from the movie which we are watching, but it kind of reminds you of the similar theme because the way it is shot and everything, the same era of Zamindars. That's why I think 1942 Love Story is a good reminder.
Hooray, Bollywood! Wow, I had a mind-blowing time with Bollywood lovers. If you want to be on TV, come visit us on Twitter and Facebook, or visit us on our website to find out where I'll be next week, so you can join in on the Hooray Bollywood roller coaster. And remember to send me your dedications to amita@hooraybollywood.com. And stay tuned to your favorite Bollywood show, जहाँ पर है last 100 years से आज तक की spicy गपशप. Until then, enjoy life, be happy, and ta-ta!